Get ready, because we're counting down the top 6 military unmanned technologies that are shaping the future of warfare. And in the last we will be seeing the future technology advancements, so stay tuned and don't miss out anything. Number 6. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. These versatile drones have revolutionized military operations and are utilized by countries like the United States, China, and Israel. UAVs come in various sizes and configurations, from small quadcopters used for local reconnaissance to massive high-altitude, long-endurance aircraft like the Global Hawk. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, UAVs provide real-time intelligence, monitor enemy activities, and perform surveillance missions. They can also carry out precision strikes with weapons like Hellfire missiles. UAVs minimize risk to human pilots, allowing them to operate in dangerous environments without endangering lives. Moving on to number 5, Unmanned Ground Vehicles, or UGVs. These robotic soldiers without fear or fatigue are employed by countries such as the United States, Russia, and Israel. UGVs operate on land, performing a wide range of critical tasks. For example, the iRobot's PackBot is a small, rugged UGV used for bomb disposal, reconnaissance, and surveillance. On the other hand, the Urun-9, developed by Russia, is a versatile UGV equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and weaponry. It can perform reconnaissance, transport supplies, and engage in combat. UGVs are designed to navigate challenging terrains, explore hazardous areas, and aid in logistic support, reducing risks to human soldiers. Hey there, if you're enjoying the content so far, don't miss out on future videos. Hit that subscribe button and join our community. Now, at number 4, Unmanned Surface Vehicles, or USVs. These autonomous or remote-controlled vessels are transforming naval operations and are used by countries like the United States, China, and France. USVs excel in mine countermeasures, surveillance, and anti-submarine warfare. For instance, the Protector USV, developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, is equipped with advanced sonar systems and can detect and neutralize underwater mines, ensuring safe passage for larger ships. USVs can also perform intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions, patrolling coastal waters and monitoring maritime activities. Hey, let us know in the comments which technology fascinated you the most. Next up, at number 3, Unmanned Underwater Vehicles, or UUVs. These underwater marvels are employed by countries such as the United States and are utilized for mine countermeasures, underwater mapping, and submarine hunting. UUVs come in various sizes and designs, ranging from small, agile models to large, long-endurance vehicles. They are equipped with advanced sonar systems, cameras, and other sensors to navigate and explore the ocean depths. For example, the Remus UUV, developed by the United States, autonomously performs detailed surveys of the ocean floor, gathering valuable data for scientific research, environmental monitoring, and identifying potential hazards. Now, brace yourselves for number 2, Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicles, or UCAVs. These advanced drones are the future of aerial combat and are utilized by countries such as the United States, China, and Turkey. UCAVs are capable of carrying and deploying weapons autonomously or under remote control. They possess advanced avionics, sensors, and communication systems, enabling them to operate with high precision. For example, the General Atomics Aeronautical Systems MQ-9 Reaper is armed with Hellfire missiles and precision-guided bombs, making it a formidable force against enemy targets. UCAVs are reshaping the dynamics of modern warfare, providing enhanced situational awareness and the ability to engage targets with reduced collateral damage. And finally, reaching the top spot, we have autonomous weapon systems. These systems, including autonomous drones, robotic ground vehicles, and stationary defense systems, are capable of independently selecting and engaging targets without direct human control. While their development is ongoing, debates surrounding their use and ethical implications are intense. Striking a balance between technological advancement and responsible use is crucial as these systems continue to evolve. Now, let's talk about the future developments of these technologies. We can expect improved autonomy, enhanced integration with artificial intelligence, improved target recognition and identification capabilities, and the advancement of swarming capabilities. These unmanned technologies will become even more efficient and versatile. That concludes our countdown of the top 6 military unmanned technologies.